Welcome to Igbo class. In today's video, we'll be talking about Igbo words that begins with the letter F. Igbo words that begins with the letter F. In our previous videos, we've done the letter A, the letter B, the letter Sh, the letter D, the letter E, that is the letter E. And today, we'll be talking about words that begins with the letter F. If you've not watched any of these, just go to our page and search up for the letter that you're looking for, because we've got you covered. Today, we'll be talking about words that begins with the letter F. Kangibido, let's begin. The first on our list today is fair, to wave. Fair kagi. Wave your hands. Fair, to wave. Fair can also mean to fly. Fair, fly. Fair. It can also mean to worship. Fair Chineke, that is worship God. Fair, to wave or to fly. Fair. Fearful, to fly away, to fly out. Fearful, fly away or fly out. Nnụnụ ahụ fepụrụ. Fere, flew. Fere, flew. That is the past tense of fair, flew. Fere. For, to blow. For, to blow. For bolombola ahụ. Blow the balloon. To blow means for. Fear, meaning to twist. Fear, to twist. Fear isim, twist my hair. Fear, to twist. Fesa, to sprinkle. Fesa mmiri n'ogige ahụ. Sprinkle water on the garden. Fesa, to sprinkle. Feature, to clean. It can also be called hicha, but now for this video we have feature, to clean or to wipe. Feature elu oche ahụ, clean the chair. Feature ụlọ, clean the house. Feature, clean. Fesa, to sprinkle. Fear, to twist. For, to blow. Fere, flew. Fearful, fly out. Fair, to wave or to fly. Again, it can also mean to worship. Fico, to crumple. Fico, crumple. Fico akwụkwọ ahụ. Crumple the paper. Fico, to crumple. Photo, nọrọ ka ese anyị foto. Feturu, landed. Feturu, landed. Ụgbọelu ahụ feturu na ama ụgbọelu dị n'Enugu. Ụgbọelu ahụ feturu na ama egwuregwu dị n'ụlọ akwụkwọ anyị. The airplane landed in our school field. Ụgbọelu ahụ feturu na ama egwuregwu dị n'ụlọ akwụkwọ anyị. The airplane landed in our school field. Feturu, landed. Fọdụrụ, remaining, fọdụrụ, remaining. Ọ fọdụrụ otu nkeji ka ọ kụọ elekere ise nke uhuruchi. It is remaining a minute for it to be 5 o'clock p.m. Ọ fọdụrụ, it is remaining. Fọdụrụ, remaining. When something is remaining, ị mara na ọ fọdụrụ. When something is remaining, ị mara na ọ fọdụrụ. It is remaining. Fopụ, to uproot. Fopụ, uproot. Fopụ, uproot. That's taken away from the root. From the root. Fopụ, to uproot. Fopụ ahịhịa ahụ. It's not just telling you to clear the grasses. It means you taking it away from the root. Fopụ. Fio, fio. Fio, fio. That's a kind of meal in the Igbo land. Fio, fio, pigeon beans. Eji ya esi achịcha nakwazi ji. Fio, fio. Fio, fio, pigeon beans. Ahụrụ m fio, fio n'anya. I love pigeon beans. Fiimu. Fiimu. Meaning film. Nke a na-ekiri ekiri. Achọrọ m ilele film. I want to watch films. Film. Film. Funwo. Funwo. To blow up. Funwoku. Blow up the fire. Funwo. 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 Blow up. Funyo. Funyo. Blow out. Funyo. Blow out. So this is the opposite of funwo. Funwo, that's to make fire. Funyo, to blow out the fire. Funwo, blow up. Funyo, to blow out. Fanye. Fanye, to shove in. Fanye ya n'ime akpa gị. Shove it inside your bag. Shove it in your bag. Fapụta. Fapụta, to shove out. Fanye, fapụta. Fanye, fapụta. Fanye, to shove in. Fapụta, to shove out. Focha. Focha, to winnow. Focha, to winnow. If you are preparing Nigerian rice, before you can prepare the rice, you have to winnow in order to remove the excess chaff. To winnow. Focha. Focha, to winnow. Fim. This is an onomatopoeia. Fim, it's a sound to hush someone. Fim. Manukwana fim no nogi. Telling you that the person in question doesn't need to hear any sound from you. Fim. Akanono fim. Mechionogi. Fim. To hush someone. To hush someone. Fim. This brings us to the end of our video today. If you have any other word that begins with the letter F, don't hesitate to write them down in the comment section. Also, like and subscribe to our channel and keep sharing this video. Till I come your way again, Kemesia.